U.S. President Trump slams court ruling on tariffs. U.S. court finds Trump's tariffs an illegal use of emergency power. After court ruling, Trump lashes out. POTUS says U.S. would be completely destroyed without tariffs. Days after a federal appeals court in the U.S. ruled that most of the tariffs imposed by the Trump administration are not in accordance with the law, U.S. President Donald Trump lambasted the ruling, warning that without them, the United States would be completely destroyed and its military power instantly obliterated. The court did not strike down the tariffs immediately, allowing his administration time to appeal to the Supreme Court. In a post on Truth Social, Trump criticized what he called the radical left group of judges for their 7-4 decision on tariffs and extended thanks to one Democratic, Obama-appointed judge who he said voted to save U.S. with courage and respect. The remark by the U.S. president came after a federal appeals court invalidated several of his administration's tariffs, ruling that he exceeded his authority by using emergency powers to impose the import duties. According to local media reports, in an unsigned opinion affirming a lower court's decision, the U.S. Court of Appeals for the Federal Circuit concluded that the International Emergency Economic Powers Act does not permit the kind of tariffs that Trump enacted earlier this year. The court emphasized that Trump's use of the law represented an unprecedented overreach of executive authority, noting that the power to levy taxes and tariffs is a fundamental responsibility granted by the Constitution to Congress. Trump had earlier slammed the decision, noting that all tariffs imposed on the countries would remain in effect, calling a recent ruling by a highly partisan appeals court incorrect. White House spokesman Kush Desai said Trump had acted lawfully, adding they are looking forward to ultimate victory on this matter. Meanwhile, an attorney for small businesses affected by the tariffs said the ruling shows Trump doesn't have unlimited power to impose tariffs on his own. The U.S. government has argued that if the tariffs are struck down, it might have to refund some of the import taxes that it's collected, delivering a financial blow to the U.S. Treasury. According to reports, revenue from tariffs now totals $159 billion, more than double what it was at the same point the year before. Indeed, the Justice Department warned in a legal filing this month that revoking the tariffs could mean financial ruin for the United States.